Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Holly and this is Simply Holly, and I am a 49-year-old woman, and I'm not ashamed or afraid to say that. I do unboxings and clothing subscription boxes. Any box, okay, let me fix that. Not any box, but most boxes I find very interesting, and I love to do unboxings. And I also am very honest when it comes to these boxes. So if you're considering subscribing to my channel, the subscribe button's right over there. If you'd like to click on it now, I would love to have you on my channel. I want you to feel at home on my channel. I want you to be able to think that you're sitting right across the table from me and we're just having some coffee and hanging out. That's the kind of channel that I have. I love to chit chat. I am very forthcoming. You ask me a question and I will answer it. That goes for the subscription boxes too. If I don't like a box, girl, I'm going to tell you I don't like this box and I don't think you should order it. But if I love a box, you're going to know I love a box. So if you haven't yet subscribed, I hope that you will reconsider and hit that subscribe button, because I do a lot of videos at least once a day. I try to get you guys a video. I don't want to leave you alone too long. I don't know what you guys would do all alone. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to tell you how much joy doing these videos brings me. I just love doing them, and I hope that you love watching them. All right, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right over there, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and welcome to my channel. If you decide to subscribe, I would love to have you. So that is it for this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.